So our project is about the wondrous women in World War II, and it just mainly just talks about what the women did in World War II and what they contributed to World War II. So, women behind the war, it is crucial to see the importance of women during the war. Without their help, things would be very different. So, pictured here are women during the World War II. And then there's also two posters encouraging women to join the World War II. And as you can see in this poster here, it shows a variety of options that women have to do in the war. They don't have to just be, nurses, or they don't just have to be a certain thing. Like, they have options that they can do to help. So our layout of our exhibit in the museum would be: you walk in and the exhibit is to the right. There would be a little information box under all the artifacts and pictures. It is set up with a collage of photos and memorable events. And there's a game that can be played that has tools, and one must put and the game and one of the games is you must put all the tools in a toy car or plane and make sure it can start properly. So this game kind of shows what like a woman in the factories would do. For example, like, women in factories, they made ships, they made planes, they made like trucks, they made cars for the soldiers to use in the World War. So why should this exhibit about women be chosen over any other exhibit? It's because women have a long history of always being considered lower than men and should be recognized and appreciated for their hard work to overcome these unfair standards. In World War II, they proved these stereotypes wrong and began to take on jobs men typically do, such as factory workers, truck drivers, and machine workers. They helped build airplanes and ships that were used to fight in the war. They also became firefighters, fire truck, and train drivers. And most importantly, they became nurses in order to help the injured soldiers back to health. So if, for example, if we were in the World War and you see a truck driving by, more than likely a woman helped or built that truck. And women typically got into the war as nurses because that's like, women want to help, like, majority of the women were at home because their husbands were away at work. So they would join the war as nurses to help the injured soldiers back to health. So a list of artifacts. This would be in our like a wall in our museum, and there would be a wall full of posters in our museum as a part of our artifacts, and each of them will have a quick description of what they represent. And some examples of that would be, for example, this picture on the top. This is a picture of a woman, and she's showing her biceps, saying that we can do it. And it was produced by J. Howard Miller in 1943, and it's used to promote feminism and other political issues in the 1980s. And then below that is a picture of Rosie the Riveter, and she's saying, do the job he left behind, and it says apply U.S. employment service. So also, this is a woman in the industry, in the factories, hands on. And she was seen as the perfect woman worker. This image brought a 57% increase of workers from 1940 through 1944, and it also increased the number of women factory workers by 20 million. So this is a game in our exhibit, and it's She Can Do It, Can You? Let's Try It. So part of the game is like, can you hammer this nail into the wood? So like, that's like, if you can do that, then you would be a good factory worker, you'd be good in the industry. And it's like, how about making your way around this airplane. If you can do that, then you should maybe consider um, being a plane flyer, or doing something with an airplane. What must you do if there's a wounded soldier? So if you know what they're to do, if you saw one wounded soldier, maybe the nurse, being a nurse, is good for you. It says want to be a conductor officer or slash officer. If you want to do that, maybe the war is good for you. Maybe you should try for that in the war. And it says the last one is, can you drive a fire truck slash train? And if you could do that, then you could be a working woman in the World War II. And here is our works cited, and that's it. Thank you for watching.